In this video, we're going to dive into Bulk Email Verifier, a powerful tool that helps businesses and individuals clean their email lists. This service offers accurate email validation by identifying invalid, risky, or disposable addresses that could harm your email reputation. It's particularly useful for email marketers looking to reduce bounce rates and improve campaign success. Bulk Email Verifier works by scanning email lists and providing a detailed report with the status of each email address. You could upload large lists in bulk, and the tool will quickly validate them, saving you time and effort. The service also provides real-time email validation for websites or lead capture forms, which is a great feature for keeping your database fresh. One of the great advantages of Bulk Email Verifier is its simplicity. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for people with limited technical knowledge. You can view the results of the verification process in a clear, concise format. However, one limitation of Bulk Email Verifier is that it lacks some advanced features seen in other platforms, such as automated list cleaning over time or deeper insights into email behavior. While it does an excellent job with the basics, if you're looking for more advanced analytics, you might need to look elsewhere. Pricing for Bulk Email Verifier is competitive, with plans that scale based on your needs. There are both pay-as-you-go and subscription options, making it flexible for different users. It's affordable for small businesses and startups, but large enterprises might find that they need a more customized package for their bulk verification needs. In the middle of managing your email campaigns, you might want to consider using Clean Email, a tool that complements email verification by helping you organize and clean up your inbox. Clean Email offers a variety of features for email management, including mass unsubscribe, automatic sorting, and more. Follow the link in the description to try the best email manager. To get the best experience with Bulk Email Verifier, remember to follow the link in the description and subscribe for more reviews on top email tools. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful.